Hello, my name is Jean-Pierre and I'm president of SLD, a leading brand consulting firm. We help financial institutions manage their branch transformation programs. I'm really excited about the opportunity of speaking at this year's Financial Brands Forum in Las Vegas in April. Our firm, for the last 20 years, has pioneered and leveraged innovation in driving growth. Part of that process is doing consumer research on understanding where's the market going. And how do we leverage consumer insights in supporting where financial institutions need to invest their money? We were first to pioneer the stealth attrition study more than 15 years ago. We also looked at the future of advice and the impact advice has on driving loyalty in financial institutions, both done well before the market realized the importance of these factors. The reason I'm bringing this up is that we've just completed a major study on community banking, the future of community banking. And we're identifying key issues and challenges and opportunities that community banks need to consider as they look for growth and reduce attrition of their customers. I look forward to meeting you and seeing you at Financial Brands Forum, and I hope you were able to attend my presentation. Thank you very much.